Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. Today is just going to be kind of a productive day in my life. There's a lot of things I need to get checked off my list today while I'm off work. So the first thing I want to do, because the temperature has actually been warming up quite a bit here, so my bed does not need flannel sheets anymore. So we're going to start by swapping out the flannel sheets from not just my bed but also the spare room. Might as well get that swapped over for summer. So those need to be washed, and then I'm going to put the cotton sheets back on. And then there's a few blankets and pillows that I had out for, I guess technically the winter season. So I'm going to go ahead and gather all that stuff up and get it in a vacuum seal bag and store it away in the closet. So we'll get started with that, and then probably got to run to the grocery store. I need to get groceries for the next couple weeks. And then of course there's a few other things on my list, but those are the key things I wanted to get done today. So let's get started with stripping the beds and get that laundry started, and then we'll put the new stuff back on and switch the rooms back. All right, I'm gonna start stripping off my bed and set aside the stuff that needs to go into the vacuum seal bag, mainly this blanket here. And I should mention it's about 7:30 in the morning. I did get up about an hour ago, but I want to get the stuff knocked out in the laundry before I go to get groceries. So let's get the bed stripped. So voila, the bed is made. Now I need to take this to the spare room and that to the laundry, and then we'll strip the other bed before I start the load. Okay, here's the spare bed. So again, I'm gonna eliminate flannel sheets. I am gonna wash these pillowcases though because they've been used. And I think I'm gonna change the body pillow out because I got a set and I think this will be a little brighter than a dark color. All right, here's the spare bed. I know it's quite a bit more of a transformation than like my bedroom. And that's just because I flipped the comforter over for Christmas so it's not orange. But I intentionally do the orange in here to try to go with this painting that my sister actually painted. I just like it and I try to make it match. So spare bedroom is done. I'm gonna go ahead and gather up the rest of what I need to put in a vacuum seal bag so I can get that done. And then I just gotta swap the blanket on the couch, but that one's gonna have to be washed. Okay, now it's time to go ahead and pack this mess into a vacuum seal bag so I can put it up in the closet and store it away.
Never mind other people trying to bring you down. Never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on.
And that's how we do it. So it's all put away. So I'm very warm. I might take the dog outside real quick, maybe attempt to take a shower before I head out, but I do want to go get groceries early. I don't like to wait too late in the day. So let's go get that done. Actually, you know what I forgot? I need to put pillows back on the couch and swap the blanket. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So the living room is more put together. Just gonna make it a little more springy in here with fresher pillows and a brighter blanket.
Never mind, right now just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do?
And I know what you're thinking, why did she put a blanket on the couch? I have a dog. When I bought this couch, the dog I had light fur, so it wasn't visible. And now that I have Riley Bug, he has dark fur, and it definitely shows up on the couch very easily. I do like light furniture. I just feel like my core pieces need to be bright so I can be more versatile when I change stuff out. And then on top of that, if I have company over, it's easy for me to just pull the blanket off, and then I have a nice clean couch and the dog stays off of it when it's off. So that's why I do this. I'm gonna swap my pillows. I guess we're gonna go with the summer pillows. Put these on the couch, and then I'm gonna probably put this blanket away and pull out more of my springy one to put on there too. Just makes it easier to transition when that time comes.
What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like.
Here's kind of the to-do list that I wrote earlier, actually last night before bed. So we can check off putting away the bed blankets and the sheets. Okay, so I'm gonna go get groceries. We'll come back and do cleaning, and then I gotta make a bunch of phone calls and then some planning and cut the dog's nails. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and wash my hair in the sink just so it's clean. I'm gonna shower later this afternoon once I'm done cleaning, because I know I'm just gonna sweat some more, but I wanna be able to have, I guess, cleaner hair because this is like day 3, I think. And for me, that's a lot. I usually have to wash my hair like every other day just because I have naturally greasy hair and it just never can tame itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then that way I can get ready to head out.
Have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me.
Alright, now I need to change out of my sweats. Probably put a clean shirt on because this one's wet. Okay, got jeans on and just a Panther t-shirt. Probably grab a sweatshirt too before I go so I don't have to take my jacket in. But I'll probably take the dog outside one more time, and then I did transfer the laundry, which I showed you, so we can go ahead and get groceries. I'll try to get some clips while I'm there. So I know my hair looks crazy, but I'm finally in the car and we're gonna go ahead and get groceries. I don't know if anybody else feels this way, but I hate going grocery shopping. I definitely like getting pickup better, but I do enjoy the feeling of having groceries in the house. So let's head out to Walmart Market.
For me, but how you love me. Thank you, you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank you. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like they, yeah. Have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like.
Groceries have been acquired, so let's go home and get them unloaded and put away.
I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now.
So I just had some lunch after I put the groceries away. I'm gonna go ahead and fold all those sheets and get the pillowcases on, the ones I couldn't put back on the bed yet, and put that away. And then I did make one of my phone calls I needed to make. I might do another one and then do the dog's nails so I can clean. But let's get the laundry folded.
Just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, 'cause what you do right now, going through right now, I just praise the Lord. you've been worrying about. Never mind, other people tryna bring you down. Or never mind, all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through?
So I've done a lot off my list. As you saw, I did clean the house. I did cut the dog's nails. I think I'm gonna enjoy some popcorn here that I popped. And then I made myself a like cold iced, whatever you want to call it, chai tea latte. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, work on some of the things that I just need to sit down and write on. The two things I wanted to work on today were planning out my March videos. I'm trying to, like, if I plan them and I know what I'm doing, I feel like I can get them up for you guys. Like Wednesday, I didn't put anything up. I had no idea what to film, and so that kind of like hindered me from doing anything. Plus I was dealing with a little bit of migraine issues again, so that's why I didn't do a video on Wednesday. But I do want to plan out my March videos, and then I also want to get my plan for my March goals that I want to do for the month. And then I guess if I have any extra time, I'm gonna kind of work on editing this video so I can have it up for Sunday. I did make most of my phone calls. I know I'm waiting on one call back. And then I think I have one more call to make today, and then I'm all done. But I'm gonna go ahead and snack and work on some of the goal stuff.
Going through, what do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one.
All right, as you saw, I just kind of unloaded the dishwasher. I got most of my phone calls in and all of the planning that I wanted done. Again, if you have some ideas for videos that you want to see, just comment them down below. But I definitely think I have a good idea of what I want to do for the most part for next month. And also, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm going to do for today. I'm pretty much just going to relax, watch a few YouTube videos, and wait for the return phone calls that I'm still expecting. But until next time, I hope everybody has a blessed day.